Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I'm grade 3 science teacher. My name is Miss Anila and we have started the final term and we are on the first chapter of final term, chapter 10 measurement. We have already done 4 question and answers from this chapter and we have already read 100 and 101, 102 pages. So today we are starting with page number 103. Open up page number 103. We discuss about the measurement of time. Now how can we measure time? We can measure time with the help of clock. And what does the clock show? Clock shows seconds, minutes and hours. And when we discuss seconds, we give it the symbol S, minutes MIN and hours H. So this shows the seconds, this shows the minutes and this shows the hours. And we also discussed that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, 60 minutes in 1 hour, 24 hours in 1 day and 365 days in 1 year. We have already learned all the yellow pages. Now let's come to the temperature. How can we measure the temperature? And first of all, what is temperature? Temperature means that how much hot or cold the object is. When you hold an object, it is cold or hot, you know it, but how much hot and how much cold it is, that is measured by the help of a temperature. That is means that we are measuring its temperature. Now how is temperature measured? It is measured in degrees Celsius. Okay, and we measure temperature with the help of a thermometer. Now different thermometers are used for different purposes, for different reasons. For example, when we have to measure the temperature of a room, we use a room thermometer. And the room thermometer ranges from these marks. You can see that it can range from 0 degree to 100 degree centigrade. But when we have to measure the body temperature, we do not check with the room thermometer, we check with the clinical thermometer. These are the two types of clinical thermometer. This we mostly use for big people and this is used for the small children to put it in their mouth. Now what is a clinical thermometer? Clinical thermometer is used to measure the body temperature. Now most clinical thermometers measures on both scales from 34 degree to 44 degree centigrade and degree Fahrenheit from 93.2 till 111.2 Fahrenheit. And what is the normal body temperature of a normal human being? That is 37 degrees centigrade. But for Fahrenheit we say 98.4. The clinical thermometer shows the temperature if it is higher than 37 degrees centigrade, that is normal. If it is higher, more than 37 degrees centigrade, it means that we are having a fever. So we discussed all this in online classes. We had a very good conversation. The children gave very nice answers. Then I have given the homework. You can note down the homework. There are 3 questions in the down on page number 103. I have given their names 5, 6, 7 because we have done till question 4. So question 5, you will write question 5. What is the unit used to measure the length of an object? So you can say the units used to measure the length of an object are mm, millimeter, cm, centimeter, m, meter, km, kilometer and inches. Then question 2 is name the instrument used to measure the temperature of an object. You can write the answer. You hide a name. Start. The instrument used to measure the temperature of an object is a thermometer. Then question number 7. How will you know that you are having a fever? Then you can answer. I can know that I am having a fever if my temperature is higher than 37 degrees centigrade. So these are the 3 questions you have to do in your copies after question number 4, and you have also to draw this clinical thermometers, this one and that one, both on the blank page. This is your homework. Please as you are writing the questions, so you start learning from question number 1 till question number 7. This is your homework. Do it in your copies and learn. Allah Hafiz.